Hello, welcome to the BarnFind factory in Norway. Today, Arild is going to talk about the most popular BarnMini product we have.
Yes, Rolf. Let's talk about BarnMini11. This is a small, simple throwdown box that can convert from electrical to an SFP port.
Okay.
And it's bidirectional. So I have a receiver connector and a transmitter.
Yeah.
And the SFP is also bidirectional.
Okay.
So I can convert SDI, MADI, ASI to an SFP port. And the SFP port can be optical, it can be with BNC connectors. I can convert SDI directly to HDMI.
Okay.
I can convert it to an SFP with the IP2110.
Yep.
Both ways.
Okay.
So it's a very simple box, very solid made. So this is an example of the simplest setup where we have a point-to-point connection. This could be a very short cable. It can be a few hundred meters cable. It could be from building to building or even a city-to-city connection.
Okay, so the maximum distance, can you say something about that?
It depends on the SFP you put inside, but we have user cases with transmission up to 80 kilometers.
Well, that's awesome.
Typical use of this application could be a camera and a monitor on both sides, and it will have a bidirectional signal transmission.
Okay, so this is always a bidirectional box.
Yes, this is. There is also another version where we have dual input, means two inputs on the BNC connector and two outputs on the SFP.
Yeah.
And in the other end, vice versa, with two input optical and two output on the BNC connectors.
So what would be the typical use case for that?
A typical use case if we want to transport many signals from, for example, one building to another. The unit is powered up via desktop power, and you can also have 2.5 rack units with space for 16 of these BarnMinis.
Okay.
And that gives you one main power supply plus optional redundant power supply.
Okay, and that is obviously hot swappable units.
Of course.
Yeah. So what about heat and cold? Can you use it outside?
Yes, they are extremely resistant to high temperatures and low temperatures. So warm weather, cold weather, no problem at all.
Okay. Thank you, Arild. What a neat little box. If you want to see more of our products, you can check out our website or other videos.